Okay fellas, as you can see on the tables, something we don't see every day here, and this is a Dovoh nice carrying case. You can see that the case looks very good, very strong, and you have the push-pull technology to open it. I love it because it will not open it in a on a drop, on a travel or something. And how to open it is just pressing the button here, then opening it, and when we are opening it, we have the nice laser level. You can see how the package is the protective coating here. And let's check what we have here. Of course, the manual. And do we need a manual? Probably yes, probably not. We can see that the so 1, 2, 3 nice lines, and dim, bright, bright, dim, dim, dim. It's okay. It's, I believe you will read it. What we have more, we have the charger for the battery, and that's good point. We have 2 batteries coming with this one. The battery is Leon battery, 7.4 volts, 2600 milliamps, 19.14 watt hours, charging cutoff voltage 8.4. You can see it's a very nice battery. And the good thing, you can charge the battery in a battery charger here. The battery charger connects with the USB cable, and you have the socket connection. For me is the Europe, so it's a 2 round pins. And okay, we have the remote control, very nice, like looks like some kind of Mercedes or something. Of course, the spare battery. We have the safety glasses, the green ones, and we have our base, and the base, it looks really good. You can press it here, you can adjust the height, and I bet it can be drilled. Very nice, very good. Do we have the magnet somewhere here? Probably not. Okay, it is like it is, and yeah, so this one, that's really nice here. And the feature I like is the base, adjustable base. You can adjust the height when you put the laser on it. Just put the laser and adjust the height. Don't need to search for the wood, for paper or something to stand for the laser to make it up and down. Very nice. This one made from aluminum. I hope so, or you will call me a liar. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to take the laser. And again, I love these hinges. That's all. And the packaging here is very nice. Nice Dovoh logo. So what it means? That means you can charge one battery in a charger, another one in a laser, and that's really nice. Of course, it's sealed to better protect everything from the humidity. And okay, now I want to put a battery in. You can see the nice cap. The model is P4-360G. G, probably the green one, yeah? Okay. And what we have 3 laser heads here. 4, sorry. Okay. And yeah, it's a lot of laser heads here. You can see you have the protection if it's out of balance or something, and yeah, of course you can adjust it, turn it on, and that's all. And what I can say, the housing looks nice. It's a rubber here protecting the laser from the punches, from the drop or something, and this really looks. So do you want to see what we have inside of this nice laser? Let's check it. first of all, now we don't have the battery. Okay, I think let's try to unscrew the screws here and check what will happen. The screws are quite really deep here, and that's good. That protects from the dirt and sometimes from the humidity, water, and so on. Let's see, can you separate it now? No, I think I need to remove this part. Okay, we will check the rubber sealings of the laser. It's moving, okay. Check, yeah, it feels really solid mounted on the housing, and I don't know if you can see or not, it's 4 pieces of glass, I think, or the one, yeah, 4 pieces, and they're glued together, I think. Yeah, they're nicely solidly glued together. That's a very nice feature. And what we have pins for good position, I think, probably. And yeah, we have the pins here, so the robot knows how to put it to see the Dovoh logo like it should, and of course the screw holes are in place. Okay, now let's check. We have the very fat, nice rubber here. This rubber is soft, so it very good protects from the dust and the water. That's what we need from it. And we can see that the rubber goes inside this metal housing. When you tighten it, it presses the glass, and the rubber expand and seals all this around, so that's perfect. Okay dokie. So now I need to remove this side. We will check, maybe we will find some bad rubber behind it or something. Okay, we can see same pin, same glass, same nice soft rubber. Okay dokie. Okay, now I can get basically inside of it. And okay, how can I take it out? Yeah. So you can see how the rubber looks from the inside. It looks really good. About the housing is really hard and it's not a soft, so it will protect the laser from the cracks, from the hits and so on. And yeah, looks really solid. Cannot find nothing bad here. Okay, let's check for the laser. I can see some markings. I don't know what they mean. Okay, we have the plugs. It's nice. It's not soldered. You can just unplug it, replace the PCB or repair it or something. That's what I'm missing in some of the lasers. And yeah, we have the really small wires. I will try to, maybe I can remove this one. Okay, yeah. some light, more light a little bit. Okay, I want to remove this PCB. Why I want to remove it? For you to show the copper wires, tiny. I hope you can see wires, and all the lasers have this one, but this one is organized perfectly, going like that and not touching each other. For some brands like Dovoh or the Bosch, they have like, I don't know, method not put right, so that's very good. And you can see we have even the rubber here for the softening. All the rubber and so on protects the laser from the humidity, from the heats and so on. So this one looks really nice and made good. Okay, what can I see here? Now I need to put it back. Okay, got it back, because we have the terminals for the battery in this PCB, and you can see that the PCB is nicely made. We have the caps, I see, resistors, yeah, this is the smart guy here, LED lights, diodes, and so on. But this basically, it's nicely made, mass production. Okay, tighten it. Now we can check it all around here. And this one looks like a grounding. You can see all around how it's made. It's a lot of components. It looks good. Nice, I like it. Okay, of course now I need to assemble it back, and maybe I want to turn it on. Because maybe I have assembled something wrong and it will not work. The buttons. Yeah, okay. Now it works. Yeah, I can change the lines. Yeah, save your eyes here. Yeah, you can see how it moves. As all others work like that. They are moving like that. Of course, they have the maximum angle. They can be moved. Yeah, you can hear the beep, and now you know that the laser cannot align that angle. Of course, you can try to, I don't know, hold it, manipulate it somehow, and so on. But I think it's not worth it. Or maybe in the construction sometimes it's needed. Okay, I cannot turn it on when it's fixated. So now you can see this one is made for transportation. It have amortization on the housing for the wall, but all laser is not moving. Now all laser is moving. So okay, I will take out the battery, because one time it was for me that I was working with a metal screwdriver and the battery was in for the other brand laser, and I shorted it, and oh hell. Then try to replace it, and to repair it, replace, and not get a good luck. So don't be like me, remove the battery when you're disassembling the laser. Okay, let's check how about assemble. We can see that it is assembled, and as we got tightening the screws here, they're catching the housing together, and even to protect that, we have catching the housings together with the glass screws, so they are very protected from the humidity and dust. Of course, now when I'm assembling and touching it, I need to clean it very good to not have my fingerprints on the glass or something, because on the video I'm with a glove, but on the parts you don't see I have touched it without gloves, and it is like it is. I will need to clean it very, very well. Okay, now we can see that the housing gets together nicely. That's nice. So we can put the glasses back, and yeah, I will clean them a little bit. And of course we can use the isopropyl alcohol here. Okay, I hope that's enough. Yeah, now I need to see for the logos, and I like that they put the logos on these covers. That shows that they want to show the brand, be the good brand, and be seen. Okay, tighten the screws. Hope I did everything good here, and it looks good. Let's check it. Okay, tuning it on, and yes, it works. I did a job good. Okay, we can change the verticals, horizontals, and okay, it's a battery level indicator, and I hope you can see. Yeah, of course, now I'm just aligning you. Okay, for you I can say it's a good product for the good price. You can easily buy it, use it, and it's made good. Dovoh working nice on this brand. And for this laser, it was P4-360G. It's a green laser, 7.4 volts, 2600 milliamps, Li-ion battery pack. We have the two batteries in a case, so one is charged out, you can replace it, charge another one, and so on and so on. So what I can say, it's a good brand, buy it. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, waiting your comments about this product, and for now, bye.